Hi, today I'm making cilantro rice. I'm making this rice actually for a chicken burrito, and so I'm going to show that as well probably in my next episode. But it's very easy to make cilantro rice. It is a cup of long grain rice, nutmeg, chicken broth, and cilantro, of course, and lime. And so I'll kind of go through that. The lime juice is really only about a couple of tablespoons. It's a cup of long grain rice. I like jasmine rice. I'm using a full seasoned chicken broth. You can use low sodium if you like. And I'm going to prepare my rice, basically 1 cup of long grain rice to a cup and a half of chicken broth. And then I am finally chopping the cilantro to make a half a cup of cilantro. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, a quarter teaspoon of salt, as well as a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to stir those ingredients all together and then let it cook on a low heat until all of the broth has boiled out. It'll bubble up like you see here. Once the liquid has sort of cooked down, I'm just going to cover the rice for about 10 more minutes and let it finish steaming, and it'll be cooked all the way through. And it's a little bit of a, textured rice when it's done, but that's cilantro rice.